Garage Fabbers. I decided to make this quick video specifically for the Garage Fab viewers that return time and time again. The ones that always leave comments. The ones that I feel that I've created a bit of a relationship with. The ones that I feel comfortable letting my guard down. So, have a seat, kiddos. We need to have a serious talk. Daddy lost his job, but it's gonna be okay. When I say that I lost my job, what I really mean is I got fired. I got fired because of my own actions. Why am I smiling? Because I have never been more proud in my entire life. I can't and I won't share details, so I'll just say a worthy business is run by good, honest people. They run their business with integrity, honesty, kindness, and empathy, while other businesses just post those words all over the wall and think that's the same thing. I am not the only person that turned their life upside down in protest. I choose to live my life in the public eye, and they have not. So, though I won't say names, I would like to say that your decisions were noble, and you too will thrive. And the devil does not always win. Normally, losing a job and the income that comes with it is a very scary situation, especially when you have a mortgage and a family. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous, but I am an incredibly positive and resourceful person. And here's why the video exists. At this moment, I am a full-time YouTube content creator. I've told close friends many times that if my job ever evaporated for whatever reason, I would not search for another job. Instead, I'd hit YouTube with everything I've got, and I meant it. And it's time to prove it. And it's time to sink or swim. My wife said, there is no sinking, there's only swimming. In the past, Garage Fab has suffered because I simply didn't have the time or the energy after work. Balancing YouTube and a full-time job has been hell because, fun fact, creating videos is itself a full-time job. Needless to say, I've got a little extra time on my hands, so my current goals are at least a video a week. Possibly more if I find out that you guys want to see stuff like live feeds, Q&As, and stuff like that. We'll talk more about that a little later. Projects are going to advance so much quicker. I started my wife's Mighty Max project 5 years ago. I had to check my previous videos just to find that out. I thought it was 3 years. 5 years. That's disgusting. I am literally disgusted I've allowed that project to take so long. Well, that disgust will help motivate me to get it done. So motivated, in fact, that I don't really want to spend any more time on this video. I think I've said all I need to say, so I'll close this out with a buttload of appreciation. Thank you to my buddy Kyle, who has his own dog training business, Vegas Valley Canine, and has been a great source of motivation lately. Justin from the Fabrication series, who's no stranger to YouTube or business and has been selfless in his willingness to help. My buddy Mark, who you've already met, and yet another business owner and a consistent source of joy and motivation. Angel from the Fix It Angel YouTube channel. I haven't talked to you in a while, but you were the first person to encourage me to push forward with the YouTube channel. I will always be grateful for that. Certainly my wife Caroline for believing in me enough to let me take this risk and slurp up a little bit of our savings, and loving me enough to understand that working for a toxic employer wasn't good for anybody. And thank you to my previous employer. This is the push I needed to achieve great things. And of course, thank you. All the videos in the world wouldn't mean anything if nobody watched them. I personally value time more than money. So the fact that you spend your time watching my stuff and commenting and sharing, man, you really are appreciated. Thank you. So until the next one, my friends, keep moving forward.